Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2011 Nissan Maxima ST-L sedan, stock reference number 4804. This shape runs from the 6th month 2009 to the 9th month 2014. It has a VQ25 2.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. VQ25 2.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard has one small dent. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Radiator grille painted black. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror, non-camera type. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. And right power door mirror, non-camera type. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.